This one is Miss Rachel and the other one is Rebecca. Rachel,
Yes.
what do you want for Christmas? What you are preparing?
Oh, I do not prefer anything, but for me, I want to plan my hair, but no money to plan my hair. That's why I'm still, my hair is still like that.
You want to braid your hair?
Yeah.
Ah.
Of course.
How about dress? You already have dress.
I don't have dress. I don't have. For long
use
ago,
this
I
one.
have. Yes, of course, I can use when I plan my hair. I can use that one.
Okay. How about Rebecca? Magandang araw mga kabayan. Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat dyan. At dahil nga pala panahon ng Kapaskuhan ngayon, ang magiging content natin tungkol din sa Pasko. Doon sa mga matatagal nang nanonood sa mga video natin, malamang nakakapanood na kayo ng mga video natin. Ang topic tungkol sa mga lalaki dito na mararaming asawa. Dito normal lang yon. Pero karamihan sa kanila talaga dito mga Christian na. Meron ding mga Muslim dito pero hindi masyadong marami. Konti lang sila. At meron pa ring mga naniniwala doon sa mga traditional na religion. Yung sumasamba sila doon sa mga malalaking puno, mga matatandang puno na sinasamba nila yon. Meron mga ganun dito. At katunayan nga, merong isang puno doon sa may papuntang Choybet. Malaking kalsada yon. Bagong gawa lang yung kalsada. 'Di ba yung kalsada two-way yan. Isang papunta roon, isang papunta sa kabila. Doon sa kabilang side, yung malaking puno na yun mismo, nandoon sa gitna mismo ng kalsada. At hindi magawang tanggalin nung gumagawa ng kalsada dahil ipinaglalaban ng mga taga roon. Sinasamba nila yung puno na yun. Ang tawag nila, magic tree daw yun. Pero balik po tayo doon sa topic natin tungkol sa Pasko dito. Malamang mayroong mga gustong magtanong dyan kung may Pasko ba dito o wala. Dahil nga nabanggit ko na rin na dito, Christian country, yung Pasko, yun talaga yung pinakamalaking okasyon na hinihintay nila dito. At ang ginagawa nila pag-celebrate dyan, yung mga religious, pumupunta sila sa church, 24 ng gabi, pinapalipas nila yung 24 hanggang 25 ng basta parang sa atin din na Noche Buena, nagsisimba muna. Ganun din dito, maraming mga relihiyoso na ganun ang ginagawa nila. Yun namang mga hindi relihiyoso, ang ginagawa nila, pumupunta sila dun sa tinatawag nilang Freedom Square. Napakalaking plaza nun. At doon talaga yung pinupuntahan ng karamihan sa kanila dito. Kaya gusto nila talaga, meron silang bagong damit, bagong sapatos, bagong mga alahas, kahit na pek. Basta pagpunta nila doon, gusto nila maayos talaga sila tingnan. Eto nga pala yung mga kababaihan dito sa cafeteria. This one is Miss Rachel and the other one is Rebecca. Rachel,
Yes.
what do you want for Christmas? What you are preparing?
Oh, I do not prefer anything, but for me, I want to plan my hair, but no money to plan my hair. That's why I'm still, my hair is still like that.
You want to braid your hair?
Yeah.
How much is braiding?
Yeah, one bucket of the hair she's to 50,000.
50,000.
Yeah, of course.
How about dress? You already have dress.
I don't have dress. I don't have. For long
use
ago,
this
I
one.
have. Yes, of course, I can use when I plan my hair. I can use that one.
Okay. How about Rebecca?
Baca jam pango.
Enta dair Ashan Christmas.
Alas.
She said that I need that one dress.
Dress.
Yeah. Got
So,
my hair I'm already filled.
Here also the same like in the Philippines.
Yeah.
Everybody want
Yellow one.
new dress on Christmas.
Yeah, she need a new dress, but that one, monakir, we don't
Monakir.
have. Look at my neck.
War.
Yeah.
Mati,
Even
Gross
wearing
Mati.
necklace, everything, our money we can receive is only 100. 100, you can
100
earn money.
one month?
Yeah, 100, 1,000 pound.
Guru is
Very
okay.
small, malish.
Very small.
Okay, thank you.
Mama, Timo.
Ito naman isang kaibigan ko na lady guard, si Victoria. Hello, Victoria.
Yes.
So, what do you want for Christmas? For your children, for yourself?
For my children, I need clothes with the Christmas tree and shoes for them.
Christmas tree?
Yeah, Christmas tree.
You want to have Christmas tree also?
Yeah.
What you will do on Christmas? What's your plan for Christmas? What do you want to buy like that?
Okay, my plan is I want to buy shoes and I want to buy clothes and I will slaughter a goats or chickens.
You will slaughter one goat?
Yeah,
Ah,
to celebrate a
Christmas.
Christmas.
mm.
Yeah. After that, I will buy another clothes for New Year.
For New Year?
Yes.
So different different clothes?
They are different, yeah.
For the New Year and
The
for
one
the
for
Christmas?
the best of Jesus.
Ah,
That is the 24. And the other clothes for the New Year.
for the New Year.
Yes.
Mm.
But due to our crisis, economic crisis are very high. Like if you want to buy one pair of shoes, this will cost like 300,000.
300,000 now?
Yes.
One shoes?
One shoes only, one pair
So
of shoes.
it's more than $50.
Yes, more than $300. Like if one
No, shoes only.
Yes, $100 is now. It's decreased. It's
Ah.
like 400.
Now 400.
$400, 450,000 pounds. That means if you want to buy two pair of shoes, one for 24 and one for the New Year, that means it will cost $200.
Why don't you use just the same
The
for
old-
the Christmas and for the New Year?
It will not be look good.
Because you're still
Yes,
single, ah?
yes. Like the reason why I buy two different shoes because it will not be okay. Like if you wear one type of shoes in
Ah.
Christmas and New Year, you're supposed to buy other shoes so that it will be look good.
But for me, I'm married already. I don't care.
You don't care. That means you are all enough.
I'm old already.
But for me, I'm still single, so that
Yes.
I can look good. If I
Ah,
dress a
so-
lot of shoes, so that I
So
will dress a lot
you
of
already
cars.
have a budget for that one?
Yes, I already planned it.
Okay, good.
Maybe tomorrow I will go to the market and buy.
Okay.
Yeah,
Advance Merry Christmas.
yeah, likewise.
Doon sa dati nating channel, meron akong video doon na mismong araw ng Pasko, nung pumunta ako doon sa church nila. Nakakatuwa yung mga bata eh. Dahil karamihan, siguro mga sabihin nating 70% ng mga bata, mga maayos tingnan, mga magaganda yung mga damit. Pero dahil nga mahirap na lugar to, marami pa rin, yung 30% marami pa rin yung hindi nakakabili ng maayos na damit. Pumupunta pa rin sila doon sa church kahit nagusgusin pa rin sila. At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung sinare ko ngayon. At maraming salamat po doon sa mga nag-subscribe sa munti nating channel. At kung sa Facebook ka naman nanonood, baka naman pwedeng paki-follow, like at paki-share na rin po para makita rin mga iba nating kababayan. Suporta lang po. Maraming salamat po at Merry Christmas po sa inyo lahat.